Relax or recover with the Vibe Handheld Deep Muscle Massager. This is the Cadillac of muscle massagers, built to handle any ache or pain for athletes or those who just want to seriously relax. It's not quiet, but it's mighty, with 6-speed settings up to 2400 RPM to really customize your experience. The massager provides up to 60 pounds of massage pressure to work away irritating knots and get your blood moving. And with the adjustable position massage head, you can reach those tough spots like your back and legs. Your order includes a carrying case and 3 precision-engineered heads to customize your relief. Say goodbye to muscle pain with the Vibe Handheld Deep Muscle Massager.
Hi, Zach here, and I'm sitting here with this Lynchit Deep Tissue Muscle Massage Gun. Let's just open it up and check it out. Ooh, all right. Well, first and foremost, here's the manual, and here's the gun. Let's just open this up. Ooh, look at this. The quality of this is just heavy. This is really heavy. It looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 massage heads. No, wait. 6, 5, yeah, 6 different massage heads. Has your charger right here, and 6 different heads. All right, to turn this on, there's a little switch right here at the bottom, and you just simply boom, the LED light lights up. Isn't that very nice? And then you have the little intensity and the, ooh, wow. So, oh, there it goes. Okay. Oh, wow, interesting. So let's just check this out. Okay, on the back here, you have to hit this power button after you turn it on, and just, there we go. And this is level 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all the way up to 20. Let's try it. Wow. Wow, that is very nice. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, this bad boy is a beast. With 6 heads, 3,500 RPMs, 20 power settings, and 2,500 milliamp battery. This little fella will give you a really good massage. At full charge, it'll go for a good 6 to 8 hours. You could use it at a low power setting for a more comfortable massage, or you can use it at a full power setting right after leg day. You know you're gonna need it. With all this power, what really gets me is this amazingly quiet. With this high torque brushless motor, this baby purrs quietly and it won't disturb anyone else around you. And it's light too. You'll be able to massage yourself effortlessly for hours. Overall, this is a fantastic massager. Wow. This is Zach. Thanks for watching.